Hey everyone, this is Battery Blade and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my EVgoer J1772 Smart Home Charger. And this one is pretty special because it has some RFID capabilities. It comes with these key cards that can start and stop your charging sessions. That way you can put it in public places and charge. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow, there's actually a lot in here. Check this out. This is what it looks like inside the box. This is the main unit itself. And there's our charger handle. Get some plastic off of it. Now, this is something I like, is it has one of these caps on it. So that way you can keep this unit outside in the Michigan weather. Keep the cap on it so all the snow and ice doesn't build up inside this charger handle, which is something I like. And the charger button on it, it has a nice protective area over the latch, so you're less likely to snap your latch off when you drop it, which is what I've done to one of my chargers before. So far I'm liking this unit. The cord is though a little on the thick side, but I'm not sure how it's going to handle being frozen in the Michigan weather. Hopefully it does well. Now let's get the plastic off this unit itself. Wow, look at this. It has a nice matte finish. And you can see the area that the RFID cards do touch right there, I think. And see, I still haven't seen the RFID cards that come with this unit. Oh, sure, maybe they're hidden somewhere. Oh yeah, we also are gonna get this nice charger holster. I'm gonna open it up. See this in, and it clicks in nicely, holds it still, click the button, and it releases the unit, like that. Here is the plug that the unit came with. This is a plug-in unit, NEMA 1450. These look like a good connections. Shouldn't have any problems putting this in. Let's take this whole unit out of the box. Now let's just check out everything it gives us inside this bag. Inside the bag, you get lots more parts. Screws. These look like some heavy duty screws right here. I don't know if these are to help mount it into the wall. And then right here we have our manual, which this is the QR code for the app, which I forgot to say. This charger does come with a amazing smart app. That way you can track your charging and stop and start charging sessions and all that. It's pretty cool, and you can change the amperage of the charger. So that's the charger menu, and then here are these, which I believe are the NFC or RFID cards for starting and stopping charging sessions. I do kind of wish they had like some cool design on it and they weren't just white, but can't get everything. Alright, so another plan of mine is to use this 3D printed mounting plate, mount this to the unit, and then you can slide it in and out of the wall. I'm going to be reviewing the EVgoer 40 amp home charger. This is the J1772 version. I opted with the plug-in version so that way I can plug it into my janky NEMA 1450 setup here. And of course this has an adjustable 40 amps worth of current, So I can set this to 20 amps, set my Tesla wall connector to 20 amps, and charge 2 EVs off of 40 amps that the NEMA 1450 outlet will give. So pretty cool setup. Alright, now I'm going to test out the charger on my Chevrolet Bolt and Tesla and see how it works. So you plug in your Bolt, and guess what? It doesn't charge unless you have the key card or the app. So you can see on the charger, nothing. But if I tap the key card or swipe to charge on my app, it charges instantly. And then you can see on the nice LED display, it shows all my charge time, my voltage, current, everything right on there. You can set up to 7 kilowatts. So that's the maximum my Chevrolet Bolt can handle. So pretty cool. And of course, here's everything. It shows all the info on my app as well. Now, let's try to charge it on the Tesla. So, it doesn't come with a Tesla adapter, but it is, of course, compatible with the Tesla, and all Teslas come with this J1772 Tesla adapter. Plug it right in. It's a tight squeeze to get it on there. And then, boom. And then again, nothing happens unless you're the owner of the charger. You swipe it on your app, it begins charging instantly. And Tesla, again, this Tesla can only charge at 7 kilowatts. But of course, our F-150 Lightning can take up the maximum 40 amps that this charger outputs. Charger's box, it comes with a little nice cable management stuff that you can attach to the wall or pull anywhere you need. It plugs into this charger nicely, it's angled down so none of the Michigan weather or any bad weather gets in there. It has a nice click in, and it's pretty easy to guide it in. It's not super annoying to get in, so you can do that pretty easily. And then you of course can wrap the cable around it. Now this cable, I'd say it's a pretty decent cable. It's not quite as thin as Tesla wall connector cables, but as far as just normal EVSE cables go, it's a pretty decent thinness. It's not too stiff in place in this extremely cold Michigan weather. Alright, now I'm going to show you the most important and unique feature of this charger that I don't see many chargers out there. It comes with 2 of these RFID key cards. This is how you can start your charging session. You see that? Now it's waiting to be plugged in and it will start charging instantly, or delayed if that's how you have it set on the app. And then you can also hit it again with your key card to undo it. Now you might be inclined to hit this little blue circle light thing here, but this isn't where the RFID reader is at. It's right there on the logo. You do that, and you can walk over to your EV, and you can plug it in, and it instantly starts charging, and then it will show you all this. It will tell you how much power and everything you need to know. Then you can also stop your session like there. And you can end it just by unplugging without your key card. But in order to get started, you gotta use your key card or the app. And then this is the connector. I really think that this is a good connector. It's got this cover over the actual moving part, so that way if you drop it, unless you land directly onto the latch itself, you're not gonna break it, compared to other ones where you can see the whole latch moving without this cover. It's easily can break off easier compared to here. Feel like safer dropping it and stuff, so not as worried. Alright, so a fun fact that I think is pretty cool and you should know is that this charger even has an emergency stop button on the side of it, which you can press it and it will instantly stop your charging session, and then you can press it again and it fixes the charger so it's not bricked up or broken or anything like that. But it is annoying because somebody could press that button while you're charging. And then one last very important note that I forgot to say during the video is it comes with a 3-year warranty, which I think is very important. Like Tesla wall connectors, they only come with a 1-year warranty. So it truly shows that they actually believe that their product is good and that it won't break for at least 3 years. And here's some final pros and cons for this charger. Good news is that it's CE certified, ETL certified, and FCC certified, so should be pretty safe. And then also, I pretty much explained everything there is to know about this charger. Some potential problems I see is if you lose both your key cards, you will have to use the app to start charging and stop charging. You don't actually stop charging, you just unplug it. But to start charging, you'll need to use the app if you lose both your key cards. But I'm sure there's probably a way to get replacement key cards, or there might be a software update to the app in the future that allows you to put it on to charge right away mode. But really, if you're using this in an apartment building or condo and you just want to be the only one that can use it, it works perfectly well for that. And I feel like that this is the best possible charger for that. And I think that it probably even beats the Tesla wall connector in that stance. So that was where my biggest problem with it is maybe losing your key cards. But other than that, I do really like it. The cord, it is a little bit stiff, but it's still much thinner than some other EVSCs out there that you would use in the winter. It's completely waterproof, so you can have this outside in the harsh Michigan weather and it will be fine as long as you're not throwing it in the Great Lakes or anything like that. It should be alright. And yeah, it does come with good cable management, and there is a slight lip to this, so you can also wrap the cable around the charger unit itself if you need it. The holster's good. Even the charging cable design of the charging gun, it doesn't look like it will break if you drop it right away. So overall, it's a pretty good budget option. Everything, the retail price is $400, but you can definitely get it around $300 with coupon codes and stuff. I'm sure I'll have some of those in my description. So realistically, you can get this for about $300, which is a lot better than the Tesla wall connector, and this has all the app availabilities and stuff. So I see this as a relatively pretty inexpensive, good budget option charger. And it's especially good if you live in an apartment building or condo and you want to be able to be the only one that can charge. You want to keep track of how much power you're using so you can pay back the HOA or wherever you're taking that power from if it's not your specific power. So it's just pretty much the perfect charger for that, and I definitely recommend it. So this was my review of the EVgoer charging setup. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. The link to the charger will be in the description. Please subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.